The world is full of people, and each one of us is unique in our own way. We meet new people every day, and some of them stay back in our lives. Just like that, one day I met Akanksha. She loves dancing, food, and talking 18 hours a day.
क्योंकि सास में कभी बहू
We have known each other for more than 11 years now, and one thing that we have come to realize is that we are two different people. We are two very different people.
बोरिंग नहीं है, बात तो करता ही नहीं है। मेरे रिश्तेदार तो यही बोलते हैं, सारे रिलेटिव्स तो। और तू तो एकदम पटर पटर पटर, तो कैसे चलता है फिर दोनों का?
I think all of us are the sum of experience we encounter as we go through life. So I decided to share some of my encounters. We made a journey to Tawang, where we were about to meet some new friends.
2 घंटे है।
क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे?
अभी हम मुझे वो आ रहे हैं, कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रहा हूँ मैं।
तो उन्होंने कहा कि आपने रिवर के सामने पोटी की। हम लोग हमें मानते हैं, इसलिए हम लोग रिवर के सामने पी ये सब पोटी ये सब नहीं करते। अरे वाह।
और ये है मिस्टर जॉन, ये बोलने के लिए तो हमारे ये मैनेजर्स ही हैं, पर कुछ भी मैनेज नहीं कर काम नहीं कर रहे।
स्नो
कहाँ पे?
कहाँ पे? छोटा छोटा स्नो बचा है।
इतना स्नो भी देखा तुमने कभी?
नहीं, बट अभी पास में ही देखा ना, और पहले ये बहुत दूर था, अभी हम पास में आ गए इसके। आप लोग इधर से ये दरवाजा।
आ रहे।
आपका चूल देखा हो तो?
देखिएगा।
हाँ।
इसका जैसे है।
बुक का जैसे है।
चुड़ैल का जैसे।
इसको इधर में रखना है।
आपको चूड़ा में क्या लगा है?
कलर कलर
बहुत अच्छा है।
बहुत अच्छा है।
बहुत अच्छा है।
Sometimes I feel that the ideas I consider as opposites are actually interdependent and they complete each other. You see, there can be no light without darkness. And so, what if opposition is just a manifestation of mind and not in itself an element of reality? When I start looking at things that way, the world seems like a new place, and I start appreciating everything that is around me.
पियो पियो पियो
बस बस बस
पियो ना
नहीं होते
आयुष
So this is ethereal trip, and I am joining him for the first time on his trip. I almost lost my breath when we went to this Bumla Pass. I was like, leave me in the car, go whatever you want to do. Oh my god, but it was very tiring. I was feeling so heavy, I couldn't eat anything. Traveling, driving on all these rocky roads, you don't know people, then you need to find out. You need, all of a sudden the plan might change, random plans. But it's good, it's fun. You get to meet a lot of new people.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ayush. Happy birthday to you.
Right, we were partying last night with 3 new people, and it was like they organized it such a amazing way. It was awesome. We had bonfire somewhere we don't know where we were, like तवांग सिटी के ऊपर जाके somewhere we were sitting there. ग्लास कैसे बनाया, bottles को काट के ग्लास बनाया. It was awesome. They arranged, they bought glasses also, like birthday वाला glasses. Cake was also good. And वो काटने के लिए छुरी होती है ना, यहाँ पे लोग खुरपा लाए थे. So unplanned trips are fun. Yes.
Every day we become someone different from who we were yesterday. Watching her go through these little experiences, I realized that every moment she becomes a little me and I become a little her. But do we ever become one another? Maybe yes and maybe no. Or maybe it is not meant to be a yes or a no. Maybe when changes happen, they happen in an endless circle where we are all one and the same. The world was, is, and always will be a oneness. And here's a big shout out to Ashish for inviting us over to Tawang. He's an excellent photographer from Arunachal and he's working all over India. Do check him out on YouTube on this link.